God, so just out the window here in my shed, hang on, a magpie and a butcherbird were chasing each other. I guess, yeah, butcherbirds are mean. They were both sitting in the tree. Sky landed on the cages here. She's now with me. And poor Sita, with clipped wings, ended up here, poor Baba. Well, she would actually let me help her down if she's scared. What happened? Hey, what happened? Are you okay? Okay. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I've got them both now, which is not always safe. Do you guys? Yeah. It's okay. Okay, okay. What are you doing? Are you okay, darling? I'm so scared. You want your tree back? Oh, you want your tree back? I'll put you here, huh? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Where are you going? Hello. Oh, kisses all the time. Always getting kisses. Yeah. Kisses, kisses. Oh, oh, oh. You mad? You're mad. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what's about to happen. I made the mistake of putting food up there, and yeah, Sky's already nervous. She doesn't want to sit there. Right on the edge. Rosita, you're being a very good girl. He's being a good girl. For now. I'm just waiting for an attack. Oh shit, so scary. You're just gonna chill? Oh my goodness. If you could just chill for a few minutes like this and get used to it slowly by slowly. It's nice, you let her scrub the beak. Yeah, good, good. Alright, you're already closing your eyes, so there's a good chance you could just both fall asleep there, okay? Maybe. We'll keep recording just in case. Yeah. Cedar had a lot of beetroot. A lot. I didn't want to take it off her. Oh yeah, food coma, huh? Food coma. That's very nice. Very nice. Just beat it. They're out to get you, better leave while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man. The fire's in their eyes, better do what you can. So beat it, just beat it. Oh! You have to show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with your life, this ain't no truth or dare. They'll kick you and they'll beat you and they'll tell you it's fair. So beat it. But you wanna be fair, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Yeah, good girl. Okay, this is Sky in Cedar's cage eating her food. And this is Sita in Sky's cage eating her food. Now, I think it's strange that they both don't mind, especially Sita. And it's always kind of been that way, you know. They will go in each other's cages and they won't mind at all. However, Sita still is grumpy with her sometimes. She doesn't let her get too close. They were both in the shower today. I mean, after a bit of a tiff, they were able to sit on a perch each, just a few inches away from each other. So I guess we're making progress. I just can't wait for that time where they start grooming each other. That will be the best. So, yeah. I'd love to be able to join two cages together. I don't really want to keep them in the same cage because the cages are pretty small. I mean, that one's pretty big. But yes, I do have another one of these cages, and at some point I could join two together to make one big one. That would be nice. That would be harder to move around, but that's okay. Alright girls, Whoop. How are you doing? What are you doing in there, hey? Not bad? Grab some more food? Yeah, you've got to kind of work your way around. Where are you going now? Oh dear. Bit awkward, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to go over there. Okay, this is going to be a problem. Oh, that's silly. We'll see. Oh, she's lungy. She lunges. And you just want to be a friend, don't you? What are you going to do? Are you going to come out and fight? Whew! Shake it off, huh? She's so mad. Oh. No, no, we're not fighting. Oh, it's okay. Relax. Yeah, see, things are still a little tense. Well, what do you expect? You went in her cage. There you go. Have some of her fruit. You okay? You're so gutsy. You're always testing her limits. But I guess you're just trying to show her that you're no danger and you want to be friends, right? Right. Right. Alright, are you going to come out? You're going to eat more? Okay. Okay.